Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to look at 1Win token. We are going to look at their airdrop eligibility criteria. So if you have not started mining 1Win token, the link will be in the video description. If you're yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly subscribe, like and share, and also join our Telegram and WhatsApp group for high value content. So right now we are going to look at how to also build a city and the airdrop eligibility criteria. This is a Telegram project, but the way this project is being built, I believe this project is going to deliver because one, it is not a trending project. Two, it is a low-key project, so it doesn't have much users. So these little projects that are not trending are the one doing well recently. So for us to check the airdrop eligibility, you have to tap on this airdrop. You can see it WEB2 airdrop. Tap on this link, this arrow, sorry. Can you see N1Win WEB2 airdrop? Meet all the participation conditions. Play every day. So if you want to win the Web2 airdrop, you have to meet all the criteria, all the conditions. Now they said unlock access to airdrop, meet all the conditions to take part in the airdrop. So if you want to take part in the Web2 airdrop, you have to meet all the criteria. And the first one is to set up passive income. Set up passive income. The second one is to boost your city population. You have to boost your city population to at least 500, or I only have 1.24k and the minimum to boost your city population is 500. Why? To set up passive income, the minimum is still 500 and I have 3.72. I'm going to show you how to do all these things. And you need to invite friends, minimum of 5 friends. I only have 2. So if you have not started, link in the video description. The fourth condition is that you unlock Lucky Drive rewards and to connect your Ton wallet. So you must meet up with these 5 airdrop eligibility criteria to unlock the Web2 airdrop. Now if you click on this first one to set up passive income, let's tap on it. Now set up passive income, build your city, reach new levels and scale your businesses to boost your passive income. Did you see that you have to build your city and reach new level and you scale your businesses to boost your passive income? Click on proceed. So you need to boost and build your businesses. Let me build the taxi in level 7, improve. Let me build the, so this is what you do, build the task, increase your level to scale up your businesses. The more you build, the more level you get, and by so doing you are meeting the airdrop eligibility criteria. So it is not difficult. Build the ones you are going to build, boost your levels and win this particular one. The other ones are locked, so build the ones that are still open. Travel agents, Octo Center. So I believe this is not difficult to do. You can do it. So the second condition is to boost your, look at it, boost your city population. Tap on it. So boost your city, grow your city population, reach new level. Now click on proceed. Okay, you need to upgrade. You know, I've already built this trench house. Upgrade. If you want to speed up, you use 4-star. If you don't want, you wait for this timeline to finish. Once it's finished, you upgrade again. Let me build this one to level. Okay, I need to upgrade this one. So the next one is to invite friends. You need to invite friends to unlock Lucky Drive. Unlock Lucky Drive rewards. Tap on it. To unlock, deposit at least $10 or an equivalent in your local currency and collect your reward every day. So this one need for us to deposit, and I'm not ready to deposit. I am not ready to. They say connect your 1 week account, log into your 1 week account or register. Go to the section free money. Click on play option. You can only link one account, so this ones require you depositing, and I'm not ready to deposit a dime. So this site require you to deposit, and I'm not ready to deposit. They say access to this site is limited in your country. Oh, it is even limited in my country. Oh, so I cannot use it because it is limited in my country. So and even if it is not limited, I cannot deposit $10. Then the net your turn wallet. If you tap on it, I will update my turn wallet before I will proceed because it needs to be updated. So I will just update my turn wallet and connect my wallet. So if you want to meet the airdrop eligibility criteria, I believe I've shown you what to do to meet up with the airdrop criteria. Now to earn more points, you go to the task section. You do all these tasks. There's tasks here to do them to earn more points. They have the daily check-in. I missed yesterday. I've started afresh. So do the daily check-in, earn points, and remember to tap because this is a tap to earn game. Remember to tap as well. I believe you have got value from this video. Please do well to like, share and subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more updates. Thank you guys, and see you guys in our next video.